Go 40 wash. This isn't a crease, this is a line where it's been folded in the washing machine and the print has just, the colour and print has completely went off. So it only arrived this afternoon. This isn't like a second wash or a third wash, this is the first wash and it's already super faded. Again, this, it's not a crease, see it's flat now, but the lines, because of where the washing machine's been, and also the rest of my wash is tinted bluey, greeny, grey, dingy. That was my own fault for putting it in with a new duvet cover, but yeah, again, anywhere where it's folded in the washing machine, it's just washed out, which seems like a bit of a utter rip-off whenever you look at the price of the set. Like, this is all faded ink that's now in my other clothes and it ruined quite a few other things. I wouldn't recommend it all.
A millionaire right here on Hearts. This week, a brave man called Ian Oliver turned down the money and he chose to go into that gang trying to win the £1 million at the end of May. Hearts Make Me a Millionaire, back tomorrow morning. Jamie Thigson and Amanda Holden could be getting you in the draw on Heart Breakfast. Good luck! The Official Big Top 40. They're all doing things differently right now. A boom